Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well, and hey to anybody that is new, I'm Sophie Hannah. Today I've got a makeup review video for you guys. So Urban Decay recently brought out a little capsule collection in collaboration with the colourful influencer KRISTEN LEANNE. Absolutely love her. I followed her on Instagram for a while now. I actually did a shoot with her about a year and a half ago with NYX in LA, so that was really cool. So I met her and her husband then, and yeah, she was super nice and I just absolutely adore her style. Obviously she has blue hair and I love her blue brows, and yeah, I just really love her makeup, her alternative look, and yeah, she's just pretty cool, isn't she? I actually went to the UK launch party for her collaboration and I managed to get my hands on the collection. I absolutely love the packaging. How cool is this? It's kind of like a marbly kind of effect, and then I love her holographic name, and all the packaging's slightly different, but it kind of just all works. It's all different like pink textures. I really love this one. It's so shiny. She has bought out a couple of lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. I've got my hands on this one here called Bun Bun, and it's a nice matte lipstick. Really nice kind of everyday nude shade. I really like wearing these, especially when you do like colourful eye makeup. If you don't want to go too crazy with your lip, you can pop on a nude. Then she's got this palette, which if you open it up, oh my god, how amazing are these colours. So you've got a selection of metallic-y kind of colours. You get a brush, which is always good. And yeah, she's got a nice selection here. You've got like gold, you've got a nice little matte orange and matte black. And then, oh my god, I need to use these two. I think I'm going to use these two and this one here today, and maybe this one here. God, it looks amazing. I haven't actually tried any of this out yet, so I'm literally reviewing it on camera. Then she's got a nude kind of palette where you've got some nice kind of everyday neutral shades. She likes to create kind of neutral eye looks, so obviously that's why she brought out that palette. And then we've got an amazing highlight palette. How sparkly are those? So yeah, so I've already got my base and my brows on and my contour, so I'm going to go in and do my eyes and my highlight. So let's get going. First of all, I'm going to be taking the Daydream eyeshadow palette, which is this nudie one here, and I'm going to take the colour Subscribe. I'm going to use the brush in the kit just because I feel like it's quite good to just show you a review of like the whole actual product rather than just grabbing a different brush. So I'm taking that Subscribe shade and I'm going to be just shading in my crease. Okay, I'm not sure this brush is fluffy and big enough, but yeah, we're working with it. Maybe I can blend out with this end. Yeah, I'm not keen on the brush, I have to say. I like using a bit of a bigger, fluffier one to just do my crease. I do like the colour though. It's kind of like an orangey brown. And it does go on nice. It's easy to blend. And it's a nice matte sort of shade. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's quickly do this side so you guys can see. But yeah, I think this brush is obviously good for other parts of your eye makeup. I personally don't like it for doing my crease. I just feel like I'm not achieving my usual crease look that I go for. But it is easy to blend out, so thank God, otherwise it would look like a huge mess. Anyway, yeah, the party last night was really good. It had it was basically in this really cute hotel in Shoreditch in London. Loads of bloggers went. It was amazing to catch up with them all, because sometimes I go to events and yeah, it's just a very mixed group of bloggers, and sometimes you don't see the kind of usual ones that go. So yeah, it's nice to see everybody. It was Oh no, here we go. He's heard my voice and now he's gonna cry. Not good. I'm gonna have to whisper. He really doesn't like me being upstairs if he's downstairs. I shut them away in the kitchen just so they can sort of chill and have some downtime. And yeah, it's not good when I'm filming upstairs and talking. Anyway, that is the crease done, which it looks okay actually. It is a nice shade. Right, now I'm gonna go on to the Kaleidoscope Dream palette. I love the name. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be doing this blue into this darker blue, and I think I might highlight with that and put that under my eyes. Yeah, let's go. So this time I'm going to take the brush out of this kit. Sorry, yeah, so back to the party. Wait, let me just tell you first. I'm going to take this shade here, which is LCW, and I'm going to apply that on the inner corner of my eye. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, so normally with metallic eyeshadows, I kind of wet my brush first with like setting spray or something, and then I apply the eyeshadow because it actually makes it pop more. But this does not need it. It is so metallic already. Oh, this is amazing. Love this. Okay, so yeah, the party, there was some frigging amazing balloons around the whole venue. It was kind of like a massive hall, and then I don't know how to pronounce it. Bawley McBearson? No. Anyway, there was this company there which is like a club, like a ball pit club, and Bawley McBalton maybe, I don't know. Anyway, they had a ball pit there and they did like a 360-degree camera. It was so cool. Then Zoe London was DJing. The music was amazing. And then yeah, I'm trying to think what else was there. Lots of sweets. They had the collection on show. Booze, of course. And yeah, it was just like a party really. So yeah. And then KRISTEN LEANNE turned up with her husband. Very colourful. And yeah, they just sort of mooched about. And yeah, it was really good. Guys, this matches my hair. I love it. Right, now I'm going to go in with the TRM shade here. And apply that in the corner. Okay, so this one I feel like is metallic, but it doesn't show up as much as this lighter shade here, but maybe that's because that one's lighter. But I really like blending the two together though. Oh, cool. I'm just going to use the fluffy brush end now just to blend that out. Okay. I really like that. I'm not very good at blending. I'm not very good at eye makeup. I personally don't think. And yeah, I feel like I've managed to achieve like a pretty good look just using this brush in the kit, which is good. Because sometimes it is all about the brush. It does help having a good one. I really, really love these two colours together though. Really cool. Just gonna use the end again. So yeah, the party was good last night. I got home not too late. It's nice that it was in Shoreditch because that's sort of my side of London that I go into. Oh my god, I'm just loving this. Loving it. I'm just gonna grab the other brush from the other kit that I used earlier, which I did my crease for, just to blend that a little bit. Okay. I'm literally loving these colours together. Yeah, I like that. I mean, I'd wear this on its own anyway, but I'm going to go in with the lime just because. I'm just going to clean my brush quickly. Actually, I might grab another brush. I know I said I wasn't going to use another brush, but because I'm going under my eye, I feel like I need something a bit fluffier. So let's take that lime colour now. Let's see how this comes out. Whether it's pigmented. Oh, it is. Oh my god. Oh, that's going in my eye. Ah. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Love. And it's really metallic as well. It's coming out, you can see it. Take that underneath my eye, if I can do it without poking myself. Love. Love, love, love that. Oh, there's so much eyeshadow in my eye. I don't know how you do this without pulling weird faces. Oh, maybe I'll do that, I can see then. Look into my camera. Oh my god, I've got so much in my eye. For this, I just like to grab a cotton bud and just kind of roll it along the bottom of my eye to get rid. Okay. Love that though. I'm really loving this look actually. So mermaidy. Of course. Of course I would go for the blue and the green in the kit. Although I reckon you could do a really cool eye look with the purple, the gold and the orange. Maybe I'll do that next time. Just gonna bring that out up there. Just because I think it looks quite cool. Right, let's go back in with the cotton bud now. Cool. Yeah, I really like that. I think it's really cool. I think I am going to add, and I'm taking a different brush now. I said I didn't want to do that, but I want to do the inner corner bits of my eye, and I like using this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm just going to take this kind of holographic-y blue and just, oh, look at that. Go in the corner of my eye. It's like, oh my god, it's like icy. It's like frozen. I love that. It's very cool. It's kind of like iridescent, so like it looks blue and then you turn and you can just see a glow. It really works with these colours though. I really do love the selection of colours that she's put in this palette. They work really, really well all together. And there's so many endless eye makeup looks that you can create from this one palette. Okay, I feel like that really like makes the eye makeup pop. Oh, it's so exciting. So to finish off this look, I'm going to be adding some mascara and some eyeliner. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills gel liner and just applying that on the inner bits of my eyes. Please excuse shadow. I've never had, well, I say I've only got 2 dogs, but he's a talker. He's such a talker. That's the best way to describe him. Like, even if I'm sitting down at the table eating dinner or something, Luna just sits there. She's quite quiet, but Shadow frigging loves to talk. But when I say talk, he kind of goes, you can hear him. He's like talking back to me. I've never heard of a dog doing that noise before. But it's his way of talking. I can't leave them downstairs having the run of the house because Shadow's worked out how to come upstairs now. And it's quite dangerous because our stairs are quite steep. So I don't really feel comfortable leaving them on their own, and he's still so young that I don't trust him. I feel like he's going to eat something, which is dangerous. So this is just an Illamasqua liquid liner that I'm going in now. Just feel like this is just going to really finish off this eye look. He's definitely a mummy's boy, even though I surprised Robin with him. Shadow literally loves me, and I'm like, no. I mean, obviously it's really cute and I love him to bits, but I'm just like, no, daddy is your daddy. Go to your daddy, not your mummy. But it's because I'm with him every day, so, which is fair enough. Right, oh my god, that's literally gone everywhere. How did that happen? So I'm going to be taking one of my favourite mascaras at the moment, which is the Maybelline Gigi Hadid mascara. It really, really pushes up my lashes. Like instantly. Just really like it, and I love these brushes. I always go for these kind of rubbery brushes over the actual kind of brush ones. Just feel like they separate your lashes more and it's less clumpy. I feel like the product gets stuck in the brushes. Just gonna go in the corner now and apply a little bit of mascara. Like so. Okay, and now I'm going to finish off. Oh, I forgot to put my highlight on. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Beam highlight palette, and I think I'm going to go for this middle shade. I think that'll look cute. So I've just grabbed a fluffy brush from Makeup Forever. Ooh, that's nice. Really nice. Nice everyday kind of colour. And it's popping. Yeah, nice. I like it a lot. And now the lip. So this shade is Bun Bun. And let's see what this looks like. Ooh. It's nice and creamy actually. Doesn't look like it's like bleeding out on the edges. Although I love it when you get a lipstick and it's so sharp. You get such a good definition. I like it because it's like a creamy matte. It's a really nice shade though. I'm not sure how many other colours there are in the collection, so you'll have to have a look. I feel like I saw 4 liquid lipsticks though. Okay. Lovely. Amazing. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I actually am really impressed with the palettes. Actually, all of the products really. I mean, Urban Decay products are pretty good anyway, but I really, really like the colours that are in all the palettes. And yeah, just love the metallicness. It's so me, which, I mean, I follow her and I love her style anyway, which I'd probably say we're probably quite similar. So yeah, no, really, really love the collection. I'll pop links below if you're interested in shopping it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, this little review video. Sorry if I've chatted on a little bit. Please give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. And actually, if there's any other review videos that you want to see, then yeah, please comment below. And yeah, I'm out of here. Peace out.